Hey, what's going on everyone? Hope you are doing well in this pandemic situation. This is Pix.Tones back with another Lightroom mobile tutorial video in iPad. This time I will teach you how to make your portrait images more emotional. Without much talking, let's get started. Go to light section. First, decrease exposure up to 0.8. Then increase contrast up to plus 20. Then increase shadows up to 65 points. Then decrease whites up to 100 points, and also decrease blacks up to around 15 points. Then go to curve mode. Then adjust curve like this. You can play with this curve whenever you like, so you can adjust the points as you like, so you can balance the curve to get the colors you want. I adjust curve like this, so you don't want to follow exactly like this, but you can get the idea. Now go to color section. Then increase temperature into 20 points, tint into around 3 to 4 points, and reduce vibrance by 25 points. Then go to color mix. First we can adjust red color. In red color, reduce saturation up to 40 points, luminance by 20 points. Then go to orange color. Reduce hue by 5 points. Then increase saturation by 7 points. Also luminance by 19 points. Then go to yellow color. Reduce saturation up to 100 points. Then go to green. Reduce hue by 100 points, saturation by 100 points, and also reduce luminance by 6 points. Then go to cyan color. Reduce saturation by 100 points. Also blue, purple and magenta also reduce saturation by 100 points. Then go to effect panel. Increase clarity by 75 points. Reduce vignette by 8 to 10 points. It's up to your preference. You can adjust as you like. Then go to detail section. Increase sharpening by 25 points. Then increase noise reduction by around 15 points. Then color noise reduction by 20 points. Again go to color panel, select color gradient. First we adjust the reduce shadows. From this drop down point, increase hue up to 45 points. Also saturation by 15 points. Then go to highlight wheel. Increase hue by around 245 points. then saturation by 25 points. I think that's all, guys. So we can get a pretty good idea about what we got so far. Let's see how before and after it's compare. You can see the drastic change it happened before and after. So let's save this preset and click on create preset, then give a name. I'll give a preset name as a perfect portrait and save up my Pix.Tones preset group and then click on check mark. It is saved now. So now we can add this preset into another couple of images to see how it works. So let's see for this all of images here. Then you can see before and after how it drastically changed your images. It will work for some and it will not work for some images. So let's see how it works. Yeah, this preset will greatly work with these images too, before and after. Let's see another one. We can add to this image. Yeah, you can see some pretty good drastic change with this preset. Let's try with this. Yeah, you can get great results from this preset for this kind of images. Let's try another. Yeah, it is also good but not that much good because it reduced the color so much. And let's try with this. It also gives some nice feel into these images. Next one. Yeah, this preset will work best with this kind of light background images. And this one, yeah, it's not that much good, but it's also okay. Let's try last one. Yeah, you can see that it makes the images too dark, so this kind of images it will not work. So now you can get pretty good idea about how this preset work with images. Let's see from the beginning, before and after comparison. You can see that some images are very perfectly blended with this preset, while some images will not perfectly work with this preset. In this case, you can adjust the curves and other color gradings to get whatever like you want. So that's all about this preset, guys. So I think you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe for our channel for this kind of future videos that I am going to do with my iPad. So until you see in next video, take me to goodbye. Peace.